Hit.
Boom. And then go. Yeah.
I don't want to hurt you today.
No.
Hey guys, welcome back to BeautyRoom Fitness. This is Alicia, and today we're gonna do a martial arts self-defense workout. So shout out to subscriber Natalie Manzo for requesting this video. This video is just for you. We're at Chung's Academy of Martial Arts today, and we're here with Steve and his wife Mary, and they're gonna teach us how to fend off attackers if you're ever attacked. So ladies, if you wanna know how to beat up the bad guys, keep watching. So Steve, why don't you tell us a little more about what you do?
So here at Chung, we have Taekwondo, Judo, and Kyokido. The Taekwondo is a stand-up striking style. Judo is grappling and throwing, and Kyokido is a pure self-defense.
So if you're in the greater Cincinnati or Dayton area, come check him out. So let's get into the video. Let's go.
1, 2, Nowadays, a lot of women are getting attacked, grab here, then getting hit. So you need to be able to defend from this position. When they grab from here, the opposite arm, reach up, grab, then your left hand raise to the sky like you're trying to wave at somebody. Step out, drop your knees down, drop your arm, and then from there, you can go ahead, strike, finish as you need. Trap, hand up, step back, step, 1, 2, 3, and down.
Hi.
Here, smack, push.
Hey.
Yeah, smack, yeah, push. You want to make sure your arms are out. So if they come, don't let your arms get pinned in here, because then there's not a whole lot you can do. You can try to headbutt, knee, but none of these are high percentage to get out. So as they come, make sure the arms are free. As they come in, here. Now, the attacker, I'm a lot bigger, so you need to pick vital areas. So this one, we're gonna work on the ears and the nose. So when they come in here, first thing, smack both ears, then grab, push the nose, here, and then when they try to get away, knee. Yeah, push, up, grab, step back, and knee. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, yeah, there you go. Up, good. 3, good. Here, 1, 2, yeah, good. Up, there, good. Kick, step, and then throw.
Hi.
When they grab an arm, now you're limited to one side to be able to start the defense. So from here, first thing, my arm, you can see my arm bigger than hers, right? You got to do something to take my mind off my strength. So from here, she's going to kick the leg to get moving. Then she's going to pull my hand off, then step the other way, and finish. Now, don't be nice. When you kick the leg, you have to try to cause pain. So when I grab, when she steps through the kick, yeah, oh, hit, oh, there, get it out, there you go, through, yeah, there, yeah, there,
Through.
there,
Yeah, now you got it.
there you go, yeah, and then down, yeah. And up. Then, yeah, then she'll hit, back up. Oh. Here, keep your legs up, that way you can kick. And see how she's keeping her head up off the ground? This is a good position, laying flat. This is, I surrender. Don't surrender. So your head up, legs up. If I'm trying to come, now I've got something here. Keep moving, kick the groin, poke the eyes, everything to keep moving. Something happened, something went wrong. And you ended up legs out and the person here. This is a very bad position. This is a start position to a rape. Or here, getting hit. So traps. This is number 1. You gotta get rid of one of their arms. Don't let them have both to hit. Now, her foot is gonna hook my leg. So now she's killed the leg and the arm on the same side. If they're up like this, on this hand you can grab the groin. So grab, twist, pull, and move so they don't throw up. Grab their ear, push their nose, anything you can get. So she gets it. This side tucks in, this other side pushes, and up. Then yeah, then she'll hit, back up. That way you're able to kick. If I'm trying to get in, if I'm this way, if I'm here, I mean, you can kick the groin, you can move. If I start to try to drop down, use your knees. So feet on the ground, put your hands back, and just kind of turn with me. Here, yeah. Try to keep these in between us. Okay. Anytime you're on the ground. Now, like I said, yeah, good. Now you pull that side, grab it, push.
All the way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Grab down, yeah. Oh, step, push.
Hey.
Here, grab, yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
You from behind. So from here, same thing with the arms. Try to make sure your arms, if you sense somebody's coming, don't walk like this. Make sure your arms are free. So as they come here, see how she dropped her weight? This makes it hard for the person to pick you up. If she stays standing up and tightens up, when she tightens up, I can do whatever I want. So as soon as you feel the arms, you gotta drop. As you drop, try to stomp on their foot. Make them pay for it. So from here, drop down, stomp, yeah. Then, see how the hands are? Your arm trap their elbow, this arm push their wrist towards it. That hurts really bad. Now she's gonna step out, turn it, and then finish, and she wants good. And then trap,
elbow, yeah.
push,
Push.
good,
All
turn.
around. Hey.
We don't like getting beat up that much.
I don't want to hurt you today.